Hello creators, and welcome back to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, as promised, I am showing Santa dancing. Yes, he's getting down. And also to give you a quick tour of my living room for the Christmas season. I hope you enjoy. Here is my red tree, all decorated for Christmas. I decided to use red and silver ornaments. If you look closely, I even added crystal ornaments throughout the tree just to give it even more sparkle. This is my favorite tree. This year I added a sparkly J for Johnson. This tree brings me so much joy each time I decorate it for Christmas or either fall. I've been thinking about decorating it for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think. This is my favorite tree. This is the topper that I created. I love how it came out. This tree sits here in the corner. It complements all of the red, the silvers that I have throughout. Here is my reindeer from my shopping haul video. I filled him with red ornaments. Some are DIYs that I added just a little bit of bling wrap to and put on my coffee table on top of a fur rug. Here's another look at my fireplace, and there's Santa. This fireplace was featured in another video. I'll leave it in the description box so you can go back and look at it. Here's my garland that I put over my doorway. It has the red mesh with silver ribbon on top of it with pine cones as well as acorns and ornaments. You can see just a little bit into my den that I have a few more Christmas decorations, but we will be doing a tour of the den as well. Right now, we're just focusing on the living room. I did a lot of Christmas purchases during the summer. This merry and bright sign was purchased from Pottery Barn. It lights up. I love it sitting on my entryway table. It sits next to this floral arrangement with silver branches and red glittered picks. On the table, I have a collection of white and silver glittered owls and white reindeer. One reindeer has the fur. Here is another look at my curio cabinet. I put a red boa wreath on the outside of the curio cabinet just to go with the other reds. Inside, I put more Christmas decor. I love how the white and silver play against the mirror, and then you still have tones of red. Next to my couch, I have a small table with this glittered tree from Hobby Lobby and other Christmas decor in a mirrored tray that I've had for some time. I love how it's simple yet chic, and the pop of red does so much to that small area. I'm going to show you some close-ups of my living room with all of my Christmas decor. I don't have a lot of DIYs this time in this video, but I still love everything just the same, and I didn't pay a lot. I do try to shop on a budget so that way I can decorate more for each season. I would like to wish each of you a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, And thank you so much for watching my video. To all of my subscribers, this has been a wonderful, fun holiday season for me. You just don't know how much you have brought joy to me during this season. I love to decorate and I love to share the decorations and the creations that I make. So it's just like you are in my home. This has been so fun. I am so blessed. And to anyone who is not my subscriber and you love to decorate, you like to have fun, you like DIYs, you like to create, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? We can connect through Kreating. YouTube is such a fun place. I promise you, you will meet some very nice people who are willing to help you, who are supportive, and who will inspire you to help you decorate your home even better. I learned so much from other creators here on YouTube that I can bring back and decorate my home, put a twist on it, but truly, it has been such a great journey. So once again, I would like to wish each of you a happy holiday from the Johnson family. And at the end, we're gonna watch Santa dance. So get ready, get up, and why don't you dance with him? Be blessed. See you soon.